Hi everyone, welcome back to Gardening from Square One. And if you are new here, welcome. So it's a sunny June 1st, and today we will be adding low maintenance, drought and heat tolerant plants to the front of the long bed. And like many of you, I must admit of gravitating towards symmetry. And to be perfectly honest, my natural inclination would be to measure plants for spacing and then to plant them in straight lines. But you all know that generally nature doesn't work this way. So adding these plants today was twofold. First, to ensure that there is a more naturalistic placement of the plants and also to fill in the spaces. At the end, I'll go over 3 methods of adding plants so they look, like nature put them there. So join along as I add these gorgeous plants to further complete the space and ensure there is a natural flow to this bed. Okay, all done. I think there has been success. So my plants aren't just in a straight line now. They're kind of curved. And then back here, I added one going back. And so I mentioned at the beginning of this video, there's ways to kind of add plants so it is naturalistic. One way you can do that is to plant in an S curve. Pretend like there's an S in your planting bed. Another way is to plant in M's and W's. So 2 plants on the sides, 1 in the middle, making an M or a W shape. Now down here, the Salvia, I popped in a plant right here. So there's a trio, and this is kind of the M. So down, up, across, down, and then back up. And so that's a more naturalistic planting. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a great day in your gardens. Bye.